Hey everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video, I will be showing you all how to make this DIY jewelry board. I figured it would be perfect to hang as a decoration in your room. You can even put it in your closet. It's quick and easy to grab, and it also looks really pretty up on your wall. I just like how you can see all of your pieces together, so I kind of figured I would use this board as what's on trend at the moment. I've been loving hoops and chokers and stacking necklaces, so this is what I have on my board as of now. All of these pieces are from one website, so I will list it down below in case you were interested. This board was super easy to make. It was very inexpensive as well, and you can also make it in any size that you would like. Please don't mind the giant band-aid that's in this entire video. I burned my arm on the oven, so this will definitely be making its debut in this video, so I do apologize ahead of time. Definitely check down below for direct links to all of the supplies and also just some tips like coupons and things like that. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. I would love to have you in the next generation family. So with that being said, if you would like to learn how to make this DIY jewelry board, then please keep watching. As usual, we will first start with everything that you need to make it. First up, you will need a cork board, some type of fabric. I used a black faux leather fabric, some push pins or tacks, and a staple gun. The tacks that I chose only came in this wood color, so I went ahead and spray painted them. I stuck them into the sponge that I had and just stuck a stick in it. That way it was easier to spray paint. I can just spin it around and get a 360 and just spray paint the entire thing. Now we're going to attach the fabric. So what you want to do is flip it upside down, and then you want to pull it really taut on either end, and this is how we will staple gun it, but you want to be sure there's no wrinkles or anything in the front. That's why we are pulling it really tight. So I'm cutting it just so we have less fabric to work with, and I'm going to begin putting these staples in and pulling the fabric and just continuing this method until we have stapled the top and bottom. If you do have a little wrinkle left over, you can just cut it, overlap it, and then staple it down. So for the two sides, I'm just folding it over and adding the staples the same way, pulling it really tight and then just stapling it down. And this is how it looks once I finish stapling it all down. So for my earrings that have a post like this, I'm just going to directly stick them into the cork board. And then for the backs, I'm going to stick them in this little bag and then just tack that right onto the board so that you don't mess up your earrings. You do want to make a hole beforehand, so I just used a thumbtack, pushed in a hole, and then it's a lot easier to stick your earrings in. Also, these earrings do come with this little card that you can stick them into, and then you can just tack this right onto your board if you didn't want to stick your earrings in like I am. And I'm just going to continue that for all of the studs. And now I'm moving on to the hoops. I'm doing the same thing. I am pushing in a hole and then just sticking it right in. And then for these hoops, they didn't have a post on the back, so I did just use the little wooden tacks, and then I just hung them right onto that. And I'll be doing that same thing for the necklaces as well. I'll be sticking in the thumbtacks that we painted and then putting my necklaces directly on that. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add all of the rest of my jewelry, and then I added all of my extra tacks right on the bottom just so they're quick and easy to grab. And this is how it looks once I finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.